John Deere 8RT rear differential and pump drive assembly. Came off a John Deere 8RT 8335 RT low wire machine. We've had this for a couple years. It's been stored inside. We didn't really know how to sell it. Didn't have all the parts listed to sell. We're working on that today. So we're going to be pulling all the exterior parts, valves, pump, valve. We are going to leave the rock shaft on because if a guy doesn't grease this and this goes bad, he needs it anyway. Draft shaft will stay in, but we'll pull the PTO housing. We'll pull the PTO shaft and housing there. PTO clutch will stay in it because it's up inside. This valve will come off. This little motor will come off. Basically, if you had a failure in your differential or in your pump drive, that's what this assembly is going to be for. And the reason we don't split it at the pump drive is because the pinion shaft comes all the way out the front. I'm not sure which one it goes on here, but we just had a debate about that, and the pinion shaft's fairly long compared to a standard ring and pinion. So just wanted to get this listed so we can get some calls on it, maybe help sell it. We can help you out, let us know. We will do it as a core rebate also, because you'll be sending some good pieces back, or should be sending some good pieces back.